Ever wondered what makes a laptop, well, a laptop? Come on, let's find out.
You see them everywhere, but what's the big secret that makes this a laptop?
The answer is right here. Let's check out the 3 big clues to solve this mystery.
Okay, first up, portability. Yeah, but what does that even mean?
Basically, it's something you can easily carry. आप इसे कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं.
Like doing homework in the park or watching movies on a trip. Super easy, right?
All right, on to clue number 2. It's the all-in-one test. Let's see why.
Integrated means all its parts are built into one piece. सब कुछ एक साथ, you know?
So you've got your screen, and right below it, the keyboard, all connected. So no messy wires needed. Just open it up and you're good to go. कितना simple है.
And now for our 3rd and final test. This one's all about power.
Laptops have a special battery inside. Matlab, you don't need to be plugged in all the time. That's why you can use it anywhere, even when the light goes out. बहुत काम की चीज़ है.
Now for a really cool part. Let's compare a laptop to something that's not a laptop.
So a laptop is small and all-in-one, but a desktop, it's bigger and stays put.
That's our investigation, so let's do a super fast recap. The final checklist.
So remember, a laptop is portable, it's integrated, and it's powered by a battery. Simple.
And that's our explainer. So just think, what will the computers of the future be like?